A sedan doesn't have to be boring or unimpressive to the eye. Chevrolet has brought sleek body design and tons of features to the all-new Cobalt for a sedan with impressive style. There's no better place to find the widest selection of Chevy vehicles than at Willis Automotive. Check out our interactive website at www.willisgm.com. There, you can check out our service center for information or to set an appointment. See our huge inventory of new vehicles. See pictures and bios of our friendly and knowledgeable sales staff. Find out what kind of special financing is available. And read more about the Willis Automotive experience to see what sets us apart from other dealerships. Willis Automotive is located at 2707 South DuPont Boulevard in Smyrna, Delaware.